Hello everyone, my name is Kaushiki Sondi and we are working on a movement called #Innovative India. Today, on behalf of All India Council Human Rights, Liberties and Social Justice, National Council News and Broadcasting, Safeguarding Children Seva Samiti Uttar Pradesh, Koshambi Foundation Uttar Pradesh, International Human Rights Commission, Voices on the Mount Ghana, I welcome our guest speaker, Ms. Swati Sohni. She is working as a head of department science in GEMS International School. She would be talking on a topic climate change. Be a part of that change. Welcome, ma'am.
As an educator, we should provide learning environment to our children, especially when we cover earth science related chapter. We should integrate sustainable development goals, global citizenship education, and IT, arts, everything we can integrate in our lessons to unleash transdisciplinary approach for our students. As a facilitator, we have to foster 21st century skills in our students so that they can become lifelong learners and global citizens. We have to carefully plan our lessons in science, especially the one which are related with environment, to provide them climate and environmental literacy. So here are some reasons why we need to take care of climate change now. We need to take care of climate change because we all deserve to breathe clean air. With all the anthropogenic actions and the factory emissions, then the gases which are releasing from vehicles, they all cause respiratory diseases like asthma or even your heart, and various lung diseases are happening all around, and especially we need to take care of children. We all need clean water. Climate change causes change in the rainfall pattern, and it also destabilize the water cycle, and it could make water scarcity much worse. There can be chances of drought and even flooding, or it can be more intense. Forest destruction, mainly for the agricultural use, is the major cause of climate change, and they generate incredible amount of greenhouse gases. Because animal species are awesome. If we care about incredible species, we must care how climate change will make it harder for them to find food, shelter, and their habitat. We need to think about climate change because coral reefs are amazing. Warmer airs and ocean temperature may cause coral bleaching, where coral lose their colors and may die. The less we do to address climate change now, the more regulation we will have in the future. We have to take steps. The very first step which we can do to control climate change is to switch for green energy. Because if we use coal-based or petroleum-based energy sources, they are the major sources for the greenhouse gas emissions. So we can switch to more environment friendly and green fuel. We should grow more and more plants, more and more trees in our surrounding, because they not only work in the microclimate for any individual or in particular area, but as a global impact also. We should grow more and more plants. They are the lungs of our planet. They purify the air, which is important for our survival. They release oxygen. You can live without food for a few hours, but you cannot live or survive without oxygen. If I cut off the supply of oxygen for hours, nobody is going to survive. So it's important to take care of these helping hands of ours. We can manage our waste which we generate from our kitchen or the agricultural waste in the production of manure and compost at our home. The compost which is produced with the help of decomposition can be used in our gardens. The very first step is to segregate the waste properly. Second thing is, after collecting the biodegradable waste, you can easily form manure and go for organic farming instead of using chemical fertilizers in your field, in your garden, it's better to switch for the more organic thing. And the best part is you are managing the waste, and it is also saving your money and your environment. We all know about sharing is caring, so we can practice this thing also to save our environment. Now the question is how. Okay, you can go for carpooling instead of using our personal vehicle. We can go for carpooling, we can go for public transport, we can exchange clothes, we can go for lending and borrowing our tools. This will reduce the pressure on our industries also, which is again connected with the climate change. Global warming threatens our health, our economy, our natural resources, and our children's future. It is clear we must act. Small acts, when multiplied by millions of people, can transform the world. So let's take a pledge to save our environment and to save our planet. I'll pledge to recycle, prevent pollution, and slow climate change. I will encourage my family members, my friends to follow 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. I will walk, I'll use bike, and I'll go for carpooling or to take public transport to conserve energy and water to help protect the environment for a better planet Earth. Thank you.